Hello everyone. Today we learn about section formula. In the previous videos I had explained about 7.1 exercise and introduction about distance formulas, etc. So please go through those videos. If you like my channel, please like the video and subscribe my channel Chaya Math Tutorial. In this video I teach about section formula. Let's start. Section formula. Before solving the section formula, we consider a coordinate plane. In this coordinate plane, we have x-axis and a y-axis. In this coordinate plane, consider the 2 points A and B. Okay. In this point, the P be a point which divides up points A and B equally in the ratio M1 and M2. Now draw the line which is perpendicular to x-axis from the A point and draw the line perpendicular to x-axis then from the P point and a B point. Then A is perpendicular to this Q point and P point is perpendicular to this B line. Okay. Now section formula, it is used to find the section formula. It is used to find the coordinate of a point, coordinates of a point dividing the line in the ratio m is to n. Sorry, m1 is to m2. Then if P is a point dividing the line AB in the ratio M1 is to M2, where the coordinates of A and B are x1, y1 and x2, y2. Okay. Now the section formula is given by m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. This is the section formula. This is known as the section formula. So highlight in this formula. This is the formula to find out the distance between the two coordinate points in the ratio m1 is to m2. Okay. So sorry, I made a mistake. If the P is the point dividing the line AB internally, add internally here, it is dividing the points internally. That is, A and B is dividing internally. Therefore, the equation is given in the internally. Okay, AB internally in the ratio m1 is to m2, where the coordinates of A of x1 comma y1 and B of x2 comma y2. That is, the section formula is given by here. Next, the midpoint formula. Midpoint formula is given by if the ratio of m1 is to m2 is equal to 1:1 form. Therefore, the formula becomes 1 into x1 plus 1 into x2 divided by 1 plus 1 comma 1 into y2 plus 1 into y1 divided by 1 plus 1. That is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 equal to 2. This is the formula to find the midpoint formula. Okay. Now consider the exercise 7.2. First problem. Find the coordinate of a point which divides the join of -1, 7 and 4, -3 in the ratio 2:3. And the problem saying that it has given directly ratio they given and the two coordinate points they given. Okay, they given. We need to apply for this directly formula and solve it. Okay, let's consider the section formula. We know that section formula P of x, y is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2 comma m2 m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Okay, we know that this formula, right? Okay, for this formula we need to apply this. For had given that 2 points A and B, I had taken A and B, then P be the midpoint. 2:3, they divide in the ratio 2:3. Okay, now P of x, y, which is equal to m1 is here. The first point will be considered as a x1, y1. Similarly, you had solved in the distance formula like this here also. Second point will be considered as a x2, y2. Okay, then this is m1, this is m2. Okay, now apply. m1 is 2 into x2 is 4 plus m2 is 3, x1 is -1 divided by m1 plus m2, that is 2 plus 3, comma m1 is 2, y2 is -3 plus m2 is 3, y1 is 7 divided by m1 plus m2 is 2 plus 3. Okay, that is equal to 2 times of 4 2s are 8, this -3, 2 plus 3 is 5, this is -6 plus 7 3s are 21 divided by 5. 8 minus 3 is 5 divided by 5, comma 21 minus 6 is 15 by 5. This can be simplified. 5 ones are 5 ones are 5 ones are 5 threes are, that is 1, 3. That is P of x, y is equal to 1, 3. Hence solved. Okay. Now let's consider the second problem. Find the coordinates of the point of a trisection of the line segment joining 4, -1 and a -2, -3. Here they given trisection. This you have to note down. Okay, if they ask trisection, you need to divide the line AB into 3 parts. Okay, solution. Now I will explain you. Solution. They given 2 points A and B. They have told trisection, so we have a 3 section, 1 2 3, that I had divide the line into P and Q. Okay, now consider this point as a x1 and y1, this point as a x2 and y2. Let P and Q be the, that is, let P and Q be the points of trisection of AB. That is, here AP is equal to PQ, PQ is equal to QB. Okay, these 3 sections are equally divided, that is, it is in the ratio, that is AP equal to PQ, which is equal to QB. Therefore, P divides AB internally in the ratio 1:2. This I will explain you. The coordinates of P are, that is, here they are saying I had taken 1:2. Why I am taking 1:2 means I'm consider this P, considering I'm only the point P, I'm lifting this point, that is AP is 1 unit, and these two are, this one is also 1 unit and this one is also 1 unit, that is we get a 2 units. Okay, this PB length we had taking, therefore this will be PB is 2 unit, that is the P divides internally in the ratio 1:2. Okay, consider the coordinates of P, that is P of x comma y is equal to, we know that the section formula, that is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Okay, put a bracket for this. What is m1 here? 1. m2 is 2, that is 1. x2 is, we need to consider this one and this 2. x2 is minus 2 plus m2 is 2, x1 is 4 divided by m1 plus m2 is 1 plus 2. m1 is 1, y2 is minus 2 plus m2 is 2, y1 is minus 1 divided by 1 plus 2. Okay, now minus 2 into 1 is minus 2, minus 2, 2 into 4 is 8 divided by 2 plus 1 is 3. This is minus 3 into 1 is minus 3, minus 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 divided by 1 plus 2 is 3. That is minus 2 plus 8 is 6 by 3. This is minus 5 by 3. This can be cancelled, simplify. We can simplify 3 ones are 3 twos are. That is we get 2 comma minus 5 by 3. That is P of x comma y is 2 comma minus 5 by 3. Now Q divides AB internally in the ratio 2:1. This I will explain you. The coordinates of Q are, that is Q of x comma y. First write on the section formula. This will, writing every problem formula means you will practicing that. Okay, that is m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Okay, 2:1 means in the diagram saying that here we're leaving the point Q. Okay, for these two, 1 plus 1 is 2. This is QB I am taking. AQ and QB I am taking for Q point. This means for this we have taken AQ and QB. That is AQ is 2 units and QB is 1 unit. Okay, that is 2:1. That is Q of x comma y is equal to 2 comma m1 is 2, x1 is minus 2 plus m2 is 1, x1 is 4 divided by 2 plus 1. That is m1 is 2, y2 is minus 3 plus m2 is 1, y1 is minus 1 divided by 2 plus. Okay, minus 2 plus 2 is minus 4 plus 4 divided by 3. This is minus 3, 2 is minus 6. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 is 3. This becomes 0 because minus 4 plus 4 is 0. 0 by anything is 0. 0 comma. This is minus 6 minus 1 is minus 7 by 3. This is Q of x comma y. Therefore, the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment A and B are 2 comma minus 5 by 3 and 0 comma minus 7 by 3.